Hang on. Hello? Okay, hi everybody, hi! Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay. Hi everybody, it's Sammy here. How's it going? I'm going to tell you a winter story for the library. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go. This is the story of the Blizzard Wizard of the Winter River. Try saying that 4 times fast. The Blizzard Wizard of the Winter River. Blizzard Wizard of the Winter River. The Blizzard Wizard, and it starts off with me climbing a mountain. It's a true story. I was climbing a mountain, and I reached a long frozen river. And I said, I'm going to cross over the river. But first, I heard a funny sound. It said,
"You can't cross here."
I think that's the Blizzard Wizard of the Winter River. And I said, oh, well, I got to get there to get home. And he said,
"First, you have to answer 3 riddles."
Okay, I like riddles. Okay, let's go, Blizzard Wizard. I'm ready.
Okay, first question.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Where does a snowman keep his money?
Where does the snowman keep his money? Oh, in the snowbank. I like that one.
Good job. Next question. What do you get when you mix a snowman
A snowman?
and a vampire?
Mix a snowman and a vampire? Oh, you get frostbite. Okay, good one. Okay, do the last one.
Okay, knock knock.
Knock knock. Who's there?
I see.
I see who?
I see you. Whoa.
It's the snow wind. Wait a minute. You're not a blizzard wizard.
No, I just wanted to make sure you don't walk on the ice. It's not very safe.
Oh, so you were just being scary to try to scare me from walking on the dangerous frozen ice?
Yeah, you could break through. Go around that way.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks for the advice.
No problem.
Okay. Bye.
Oh, bye.
Okay, well, that's my story, and I guess if you want more stories, you gotta really tune in, because I'll be back around Valentine's Day, so thanks very much. Oh, hold on, I gotta turn off the camera, hold on. Okay.